Hello, John Croner with Bullzeye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Market and Holly update for Monday, May the 14th. Well, let's go ahead and get a look and see what happened with the markets today. First, the IBB, you can see here, had a very nice day. Continue to go up. Had it real nice early on, and then kind of gathered a little bit, which after the gains we've had in the markets here the past 7 sessions, everybody I think was expecting to have a low volume day and kind of just do some gathering and some collecting at certain levels, and the IBB certainly did that. So pretty much what was expected there. The Dow put in a doji candle, but once again, I don't think there's any trouble here. Of course, the way these markets are, we always want to wait and see what happens, but you can see here on the intraday we had a gap up. We continued up for the first hour and a half or so, and then we did pull back and kind of gather in there, but no worries just yet. Once again, much to be expected after all these nice days up. And then the Qs in the NASDAQ section, another doji candle, but after a gap up, you can see that it did pull back a little bit, but once again, looking very, very healthy. The spiders, same thing, had a pretty much a doji type day, and once they gapped up, just traded within a tight range. IWM, had a we have that bearish engulfing candle set up. We'll have to see what happens, but once again, it's looking very, very positive. We went up and we just broke over these highs just a little bit, and then pulled back. So it'll be interesting to watch this and if to see if it continues to go up, or if we do get a minor or a major pullback. And then gold did pull back today, and TLT pulled back as well. So that's where the major markets are. We'll go ahead and take a look at our trade of the week next, which this week it is the XHB and ETF, and the trigger for this, and let me go ahead and click on the chart here so we can see here. The trigger is 39.97, which is up right in about here, and you can see we did not hit that. The stop is 38.38, which is about 20 cents below this swing exit down here, and the target is 43.29, which is way up here. So that is your trade of the week, and as I said, it did not trigger. The FSLR from last week is still doing very, very well, so we'll continue to keep an eye on that. And GE from many, many weeks ago is just kind of hanging in that tight range there. So we'll see which way it goes. We're getting a nice rounded bottom here, so it does look like it's certainly got the possibilities of gathering itself and going up from here. And then the ABX is still hanging in there. And so we'll see what happens there. Now, let's go ahead and get a look at Holly. And just to refresh the minds and provide information for anybody who might be joining us for the first time, Holly is the artificial intelligence engine that is designed by Trade Ideas that helps run the scanners and the software and actually picks trades on when to get in them and when to get out of them. And she has beat the S&P pretty much since her inception, and she's in her third year right now. So Holly is doing very, very well, and we will go ahead and take a look how she did today. And today she had a little bit of a rough day. You can see these are all the strategies she came to the party with. She did pick trades in all but two of them, but she lost 19 cents for the day. And on the risk on profit, in other words, if you would have held those till close, she would have lost $2.80. And let me bring my Excel spreadsheet up for you that we always bring up. And as you can see here, the 4 short trades, she lost 11 cents. She had 19 long trades for a loss of 8 cents. So it was a total of 19 trades, okay, for the 19-cent loss. So that's where Holly was today. Now, if you are interested in the trade of the week, this is a link that you can get to it. I'll put this in the YouTube comments right underneath the video, so you could copy that and paste that right into your browser. This is provided to you at no charge. All you have to do is provide your email address, and every Monday morning that will be emailed to you. And then I want to encourage you to follow our blog at bullzeyetrader.com. You can like us on Facebook, Twitter, or StockTwits. If you like this video, go ahead, hit the thumbs up for me. And if it's the first time you're seeing these videos, in the bottom right of your screen, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and that way you'll always catch our videos. We try to do one every day, and then at the end of the week we do one that wraps up the day and also reviews the week. So I want to thank you, and God bless.